Question 9 is coming from differentiation and in particular connected rates of change. Water is poured into a tank at a constant rate of 500 cubic centimeters per second. That is the VDT, because cubic centimeters, those ones represent the volume. Then the depth of water in the tank t seconds after filling starts is h centimeters. When the depth of the water in the tank is h centimeters, the volume v centimeters cubed of the water in the tank is given by this formula. Part A, find the rate at which h is increasing at the instant when h is equal to 10. So since these are connected rates of change, we have to differentiate this one here. So we have to get the VDH, drop this power here. So we shall have 4 over 3, then times 3, and then 25 plus h, then power 2 here. But then enter inside here, you differentiate. This one will be a 1. That is chain rule. This one is a constant. So when I differentiate, it disappears. So meaning altogether, I get 4 into 25 plus h squared, because this one disappears, right? Okay. Then from there, we are given dv dt, which is 500. Okay. And we are to find the h dt. So the h dt is going to be the h, then times, I can put the dt here. We can see that h and v are connected. So I will have the h dv, then times dv dt, such that this dv can cancel with this one for me to remain with the dh dt. You see that? Okay. Now, what is dh dv? dh dv is the same as 1 over dv dh. So we shall have 1 over dv dh is this one here, which is 4, then 25 plus h squared times dv dt, which is 500. But now at this instant, when h is equal to 10, our dh dt shall be equal to 500, then out of 4 into 25 plus the 10 squared. So what do we get altogether? 500 we divide by 4 into, this will be 35 squared. Okay, that will be 5 over 49. 5 out of 49. As simple as that. Part B, at another instant, the rate at which h is increasing is 0.075 centimeter per second. Find the value of v at this instant. Now, they have given us dh dt, which is equal to 0.075. Okay? But we know that dh dt is equal to dh dv, then times dv dt. Okay? And here in this question here, they said that this one is water is poured into the tank at a constant rate of 500 cubic centimeters per second. So dv dt is still the same. Okay? So dv dt is still the same. I will put 0.075 here. And then dh dv, remember, is 1 over dv dh, which is 4 here into 25, then plus the h, then squared, then times the dv dt is 500. You see that? Then we can cross multiply here. We make h the subject of the formula, in other words. Okay? So when we cross multiply, I can bring this 25 plus h squared here. Then we can have this 500 divided by the 4 that is here. And then I can also switch this one down. Okay? Then times the 0.075. Not so? 500 we divide by 4 times 0.075. That one gives us 5,000 over 3. So h here added to the 25 will be equal to the square root of 5,000 over 3. I'm not going to put plus or minus because h, the depth here, cannot be a negative. Okay? So meaning our h here is going to be the square root of 5,000 divided by 3, then we subtract 25. Now we can go and substitute in the expression for v. Okay, so v is, first of all, it is given here as 4 over 3 into 25 plus h, then cubed, then minus 62500 over 3. So I will come here and I write 4 over 3, okay, into, we have 25 plus h, which h is this one here. So we shall have the square root of 5000 over 3. Then there is minus 25, okay. Then there is a cube, then minus 62500 out of 3. Now, of course, this one will disappear, you see, and then you remain with this one cubed times that. So altogether, what do we get? 4 out of 3, then times, inside here we have the square root of 5000 out of 3, you see. Then this one is supposed to be cubed, because remember 25 disappeared, then minus 62500 out of 3. So this is what we are getting here, 69888.50899. We have 6988, then another 8, then 0.50, okay, 899. Now I can write this one to 3 significant figures. These are the 3. Then round this one off to that. So we shall add a 1 here, and then it will be 699. Okay, that will be 699, then 00 to 3 significant what? Figures. But even if you write the whole of this and you leave it there, nobody is going to penalize you. They put those 3 significant figures just to have the uniformity in the answers.